If you have ever tried blogging, you must have realized how much work goes into every single post. From planning keywords and topics to researching, writing, auditing, and optimizing, it is a long multi step process that can eat several hours, if not days. For content creators, marketers, and business owners, this process is not just time consuming, it requires expertise in SEO, writing, and quality assurance. Missing just one step can mean lower ranking, fewer readers, and even wasted effort. That's why I built BlogCrafter, an AI powered platform that automates the entire blogging workflow using AI agents. With BlogCrafter, you can go from a simple keyword to a fully optimized SEO ready blog post in minutes. I started building a UI prototype on bold.new and then modified it locally as per my preferences. And the soul of the project lies in the AI agents I built on Lyzr AI Studio. Let me show you how BlogCrafter works and how you can build your first agent on Lyzr AI Studio. So this is our app called BlogCrafter. Essentially, we have full end-to-end workflow, plan and write as of now. I'm working on these like write and audit and optimize, and all others. We also have non-sequential workflows and individual agents. So let's go ahead and try our first full end-to-end workflow. What happens is we input any topic, say gaming as a career, and click on generate plan. What's happening is we have 4 agents: planner, writer, auditor, and optimizer. So whatever input we gave, it went to the planner agent and it gave us few topics. So each topic has a title, meta information such as SEO title and description, as well as some primary and secondary keywords, as well as also search intent, what category it lies in. So let's select any one. Okay, gaming career versus traditional career. Which one is right for you? Let's select this and proceed to writing. Now the content writer agent is working on the topic which we gave. Let us wait. So this is the output. Now let's go ahead to audit. So we have a score of 75 as well as some recommendation in SEO and all those things. Now we'll go ahead and optimize it. Again, this audit as well as the blog draft both goes to optimizer, and optimizer sees like what are the improvements needed, what is our existing blog, and it optimizes it. So let's wait for the magic. We have completed the optimization. We can see the final result: gaming career versus traditional career, which path is right for you. It has a small description, then topic breakdowns, points, and all those things. So this is it. You can have the markdown HTML. You can also copy, download, share, all these things. We also have a templates section. In templates, it's basically a guide to write various types of blogs, such as how to write, product comparison, case study, and all other things. What you can do is you can see, like, click on it, copy this whole thing, go to our writer agent and paste it, and it will write for you. Then you can copy that content and go ahead to auditor agent and get it done. We also have a dedicated help center which has all the information essentially. So this is it. How this works is listed here. We have planner agent, writer agent, auditor agent, and optimizer agent. The input of planner agent goes to writer. Sequentially, it goes to auditor and optimizer. And finally, we have our blog. Now let's talk about how you can simply create any agent on Lyzr Studio and you can use its API. So let's go to studio.lyzr.ai, sign up if you have not. So you can click on build agent, give a name. For now, just give it blog writer. Put a description. It writes the blog. Choose LLM of your choice as well as the model also. These two things are very important. What is the role of your agent and what are the instructions? So what you can do is you can put it like you are an expert blog writer which writes exceptional blogs which looks like human written. You are also aware of all the best SEO practices and know how to optimize the blog. I'm like, for example, I'm creating just one agent. What you can do is you can create multiple agents. And when we click on improve button, it will make it better. So earlier we had written something. Now it's you are expert blog post creator with a specialization in crafting human-like content. That is optimized for SEO and all those things. Also instructions we have. So this is like a single agent. You can go ahead and click on create. Once you create, you will get an API like inference tab. You can just copy it and use it locally on any app that you create using Bolt or Lovable or any UI tools. So that's how you can create a fully working agentic app. If you want to create a multi-agent workflow, I'll show you what that means. Say we have planner agent, writer agent, optimizer, and auditor, just like what I showed in the demo. So how I created it is I had these 4 agents. There are 2 options. One option is to create a manager agent. What a manager agent is, you will have all the other agents connected to this, and you can ask this manager agent itself to do whatever you want. This is basically for non-sequential workflows. I had a sequential use case where I wanted it to be 1 to 1 to 1. So I went with custom pipeline. And the benefit of having this manager agent is you don't have to like code all those pipeline. You can just create all 4 agents or all other agents, connect all to this manager agent, and this manager agent will be like supervisor to all other agents. It will think and decide what work to give to what agent, and it will get the job done. So that's how you can create a manager agent as well as a normal agent on Lyzr Studio. You can use the full workflow or pick the part you just need, maybe it planning, writing, auditing, or optimization. If you want to build your own version of this, check the description for the link to GitHub repository. Make sure to go through the README file for all necessary information and instructions. If this video was helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. If you build your own version of this, make sure to put the link in comment so that I can check out. Thank you.